Hello, and if you haven't met me before, my name is Marvelyn Brown, and I'm with Making It Remotely. Now, here at Making It Remotely, we help entrepreneurs build thriving online businesses. And the way that we do that is by using systems like the ones that we're going to talk about in this video. Now, when people think about systems, they usually think something long, drawn out, boring, complicated. But we're going to show you, if you decide to move forward and sign up for our free training, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up systems that can earn you passive income. And the great thing about it is you can earn passive income while you're doing other things. So, what is passive income? So, passive income really boils down to one thing, and that is you create something one time and you earn from it over and over and over and over. You don't have to be physically present to do things like communicate with your audience, deliver a product, or collect money. All of this happens on autopilot. If you set up these systems in the right way, they can work for you 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, helping you to earn passive income. And the income that you don't have to be standing there, working your business to make. You can earn money while you are sleeping. And so you have the ability, once you get these systems set up and you get them working well, you can duplicate these systems. So you can apply them over different business types, different products, different lines of business. You can choose to set these systems up for your Etsy store, your Shopify store. You can set them up for your WordPress site. If you're on Blogger, no matter what platform you're on. Now, I'll tell you, I'll throw this disclaimer in there, and that is that some platforms make it a lot easier to set these systems up than others, but they can be set up in pretty much any platform that you might be using. Now, you will need specific tools, and we talk to you about, the right tools for your business. So this is not about trying to sell you any specific tool. We tell you the tools that we use. We explain those tools. We do demonstration videos, and then it's really up to you as to whether you want to use those tools or you want to use something different. But you can add other passive income methods on top of your system to earn even more, and we show you how to do that. Now, we have an article that really breaks down what passive income is, and it's on one of our other blogs. But if you really want to know what passive income is and how it compares to the kind of income that most of us are used to, then you definitely want to click this link and you want to read about it. There's an article as well as a video that really breaks it down. So this is what you're going to need in order to set up these systems. Now, there are 4 steps here. You're going to need a lead magnet, a landing page, a follow-up system, and a scarcity offer. And those are very simple systems to set up. Now, it may take you time. You may have to sit down and think through, your process and what you want to do. So I'm not going to try to make this seem like it's something that you can just sit down and in a couple of hours you're going to have this system created. The other thing about this system is you may set your system up and it may be totally wrong for the audience that you have in mind. So you may have to go through this system and tweak it. You may have to change some things. You may have to test it. But the tools that we show you how to use have all of that built in. So, this is an affordable way for you to start earning no matter what business you're in, and the goal is when you start a business, you want to start earning money. And so you can do that using these 4 simple processes, and we show you how to do it for free. So just to kind of elaborate a little bit, we're going to go through what these 4 processes are. So a lead magnet is a free resource. And even though it's a free resource, you still need to take time to think about what you're going to offer to your ideal customers. What are you going to offer to them that will be something that they want, something that they need, something that helps them to solve a problem? And then, if you design your lead magnet in, the right way with your ideal customers in mind, you are going to be able to attract the right people to your business. You're going to get those people onto your email list, and that will enable you to follow up. So what are some examples of lead magnets? We have cheat sheets, worksheets, video tutorials, planners, guides, free consultation calls, case studies, quizzes, surveys, and there are even more than that. These are just some ideas. Now, the next thing you're going to need is a landing page, and you're going to need tools that will enable you. I didn't really say this in the beginning, but you need tools that will help you build all of this up. So as we walk you through the process of building it up, we're going to show you the tools that we use. And then, if you have something that is comparable, you can use that as well. So you're going to need a tool to help you build a landing page. And a landing page is where you want your ideal customers to come to learn about your lead magnet. So it has one purpose, and that is to convert visitors into leads. We don't have a lot of navigation on landing pages because we want to keep your ideal customers focused on the purpose of the landing page, and that is to make that conversion. So this is going to be a place to display your opt-in form and details about your lead magnet. And then it's also going to provide benefits, and it will show the person what they'll get when they decide to opt in and get your lead magnet. Next, you need a follow-up system. Now, you've probably heard the term, the fortune is in the follow-up. That could not be more true. If you are not following up with your customers and your leads, then you are leaving so much money on the table. And if you have for example, if you have an e-commerce store that doesn't follow up, or you have a blog and maybe your blog isn't even set up for people to leave their contact information, you're leaving money on the table. If you are on Etsy, Etsy doesn't really give you a lot of options when it comes to follow-up on that particular platform. So, having an Etsy store is great, and a lot of people are making money with their Etsy store, but a lot of times those people are finding ways to get people from Etsy to their platform where they have these systems set up. These follow-up systems are set up. So, having an Etsy store by itself, you're bleeding money if you're not following up, because if someone buys from you and you're not able to follow up with that person, all they're going to do is just go to the next Etsy store, your competitor, and they're going to buy from them the next time. There's nothing that will distinguish your store from all the other Etsy stores that are on the platform. So follow-up is really where the fortune lies. This follow-up system is your opportunity to shine. And then you need a scarcity offer. So this is the last part of your income, your passive income generating system, and that is a scarcity offer. So if you have an offer that you can, give someone on the back end of your process, it's also known as an upsell. So you only want to allow this to be purchased at a discount for a specific period of time. And you've probably seen these. You've probably bought things based on this scarcity concept. But when you build this into your system, that enables you to start earning. So on the back end, you have an offer that's irresistible to your ideal customers, to the people who have signed up for your list. But you only make it available for a certain period of time, and they can decide either yay or nay. If they decide yay or nay, you still have their contact information, so you're not going to lose them. You're going to be able to still communicate with them as long as they are subscribed to your list. So this is basically just a really quick overview. I would recommend that you sign up for our free course. You can sign up right here on this page. And if you're watching this on YouTube, there is a link below this video that you can use to get signed up. I would also recommend that you sign up for our channel. Subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when we have new content. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the training. Have a great day.